With testRigor, you'll be able to involve your manual QA as well as business analysts, product managers to be able to build your specification, executable specifications in English, even though you do not have QA automation engineers yet.
Any person in your company can write tests in testRigor. Either it's a manual tester or a customer success person or even salespeople if it's a smaller company. So it's totally up to you because tests are all in plain English and do not require any technical knowledge at all.
And testRigor will help you to hire directly people who are certified with testRigor. So we will connect you and help you to interview those people. We'll be able to build tests for you, potentially on your production systems, so you can assess how good we are, and then you'll be able to hire them directly through a referral fee.